There's a gadget that can be fitted to your XYZ Prototrac control milling machine that will make you more in control of your machine, make you more productive, and it's probably the piece of equipment that gives you the quickest return on investment for how much it costs. What is this gadget? It's called the Remote Stop Go. The Remote Stop Go is a little unit that plugs into any KMX or RMX control. In fact, it can even be fitted to legacy products from years ago. So even if you don't have one on your machine already, it can be retrofitted. It is simply plug and play. There's no software to load, and as soon as you plug it in, it's ready to go. So what benefits does it offer you? On the KMX control products, that's the KMX 1500, KMX 2000 and KMX SLV, because the control is 2-axis, we see real benefits in fitting the Remote Stop Go. For example, here I want to drill a PCD of holes. So whenever the control tells me to press the Go key, rather than reaching across and pressing the Go button on the pendant, I can use the Remote Stop Go. So here the machine has moved to the first hole. I can now drill my hole. Now, by pressing the Remote Stop Go, it will move to my next position. Probably making the machine safer to work, but certainly making me more efficient in that I can move to the next position a lot quicker and a lot easier, giving large time savings when you're producing a number of holes or pockets on a workpiece. The Remote Stop Go can also be added to the RMX product range. That's the range of bed mills, 2500, 3500, 4000 and the large capacity 5000 that you see here, the RMX 2-op and the TMC range of VMCs all can have the Remote Stop Go. So here on the 5000 machine with such a large capacity and a big bed, the Remote Stop Go certainly has advantages. Here we want to run a program, so we're in 3-axis mode here, so when we go to run our program and we press go, we can stop the machine anytime we like as it approaches the workpiece to make sure that our distance to go by looking at the incremental screen is correct. Once I'm happy, I can press the Remote Stop Go again to put the cut on, and as we engage in, anytime we like, we can again let it start cutting, but we can press the Remote Stop Go to stop the cut. So if we're coming up near to a clamp or another piece of the work that we don't want to touch, we can control it with the Remote Stop Go, not having to be near the control to start it and stop the motion. The Remote Stop Go, the little gadget that's plug and play, can help your operators build confidence when they're operating a machine, and on some products helps you to reduce the cycle time. If you'd like to know more about the Remote Stop Go, give us a call or send us an email. Alternatively, you could always arrange a demonstration at one of our showrooms of how the Remote Stop Go works, or look up more information on the website.